Welcome back, folks. If you were in my Patreon yesterday, then you found out about a coin that just did a 3x. That's right. We were talking about this coin when it was at 0004, and now this thing is at nearly 0012 right here. That is a 3x. Earlier this morning, we were about a 4x when we were at 16. We were taking tons of profits up here. We took tons of profits up here, and we were buying back in down here. Now, what does this mean for you guys? Because it is not too late for Egg Dog. This meme coin can do 100 million market cap. Now, none of this is financial advice, but this is a Solana meme coin, just like Bonk was, meaning Solana that just pumped, Bonk that just pumped, the other tokens that just pumped. All these people have profits on Solana wallets that they can dump into the next thing, the next elevator that they could ride up for profits. And this could be that elevator, because this thing, the holder count is growing exponentially. We're at 9,500 holders now. This holder count is jumping by at least 1,000 per day. Every single day I'm watching this holder count jump. It's pretty intense, guys. We've got 4.32 million in volume in the past 24 hours on a tiny coin with less than a 12 million market cap. And by the way, this morning it was an 8 million market cap because it literally dipped back all the way. Now, what did we do? We took about $9,000 off up here. We put about $2,000 back in down here. We have $7,000 out of this investment. We only put $6,000 into this investment. We put 6 in, we're 7 out, and right now we've got $8,100 worth this token. We got 715,000 egg tokens right here, and I'm expecting a double up on this thing. I think this thing could easily, and hopefully today we see this be a 2-3 instead of a 1-1. We'll see this thing double up again, in which case I'll cut nearly the entire position loose. Nearly the entire position. I'm talking I'll take off 415,000 more tokens. Now, I took off about 350,000 are already off, and that's all my profits are off. So 415,000 will come off when this thing doubles up again, and then the other 315,000 will stay on, expecting this thing to do the 100 million market cap, because that amount, the amount that I'll have left at the end, the amount is going to be equal to like $6,000 that's left in there that could still do another 10x. So some serious money could be made in this thing. I'm expecting to make about 50,000 minimum from this, from just Egg Dog. So pay attention, guys, because Egg Dog is making millionaires. Gonna be rich off Egg Dog. I'm gonna make shirts, coffee mugs, everything rich off Egg Dog, because it's very catchy, it's very cool, and as you can see, we still have all of our other holdings in here. So even though, and here's what I did, I took a ton of money out of all of my little shit plays, all my little degen plays, liquidated a crap ton of degen plays, and like literally YOLO'd into Egg Dog because I believed in it that much. I thought it was gonna do the double up or the triple up in a day, and it literally went 319% yesterday. So when I took all that money off all these other positions, dumped it into Egg Dog, and now all the money's back out. All of my original investment is back out, the whole 6,000 I originally put in. It's very beautiful, but we still have all of our staked investments. These are all staked right here, except for this avalanche right here. The avalanche is not staked. Everything else here is sitting here, locked up, while we're waiting for this thing to double up, and then we're going to pay all of our bills with this, and we're going to ride these puppies to the bull market and probably sprinkle a little bit of money into each one of these bags right here from our profits. So if you guys want to jump in on this, right now Egg Dog is sitting right up over here. This is what I'm looking at right now. I see that it was in this channel when it consolidated last night. It came down halfway, consolidated right in here for a while, and it's now broken out of that just a little bit ago. It broke out of it. So we're sitting up here. It had hit 13 right here. Its high was only 16. So the fact that we're dipping back right here and we're like using these tops of these candles as support right now, we can break upward out of this channel. And if we broke out of this channel right here, you could even draw a trend line right here to show it if you were able to, and you're sort of breaking out of it, sort of are breaking out of it. But if you're breaking out of this channel right here, you're probably going to see this thing rip forward by a long shot, and I'm expecting this thing to rip into this area here somewhere. This is what I was talking about, expecting this thing to go to 21. I think this thing could pump up here. Not financial advice, and who knows if it'll do it this fast. It did the 3x yesterday when I thought it would in a day. Now we have another opportunity right here. So let's see what happens, guys. Smash that like button if you got some value. Stay safe out there and be careful. Remember to do your own research. Love you guys lots. Take care.